Hedges, where would we be without them? They protect us from the wind, they cover our ugly fences, and they create those private little corners we call home. Compared to other plants in your garden, your hedges demand the least amount of your time, but that doesn't mean you can neglect them altogether. Hedges will appreciate a good pruning from spring all the way through till autumn, and some varieties may only need attention once every season, but other varieties such as the popular Buxus may need a prune every single month. As a rule of thumb, during the hot summer days, keep the hedging shears in the shed. Hedge shears are perfectly designed to cover the large surfaces that need pruning on a hedge, and the best way to do it is to start at the top, and once you're done, make your way down the sides. To get perfectly straight hedges, you may want to use a string line to keep your pruning lines nice and even. Simply set up 2 stakes on each end and run a string line slightly above the level that you wish to prune. This will avoid you cutting the string by mistake. Once you get the hang of it though, you'll probably be able to trust your instincts and ditch the string line. Another great tip is to clip the side of your hedge on a slight angle, leaving the base slightly wider than the top. This will allow all those little leaves to enjoy their share of sunshine. Remember to keep your hedge shears nice and sharp, and when deciding on what hedge clippers to choose, remember they come in various lengths. This Gardena 700T is telescopic, so it can reach up to 90 centimeters, which is great for tall hedges like this one. Head to gardena.com to learn more.